Samoa,
host of the 3rd International Conference on Small Island Developing States in 2014.
Samoa has two main airports. Faleolo International Airport servicing larger aircraft between New Zealand, Australia, Fiji and Hawaii. The smaller Whangali International Airport provides inter-island services between Samoa and American Samoa. Daily flights into and out of Samoa are serviced by Air New Zealand, Virgin Samoa and Fiji Airways. Additional flights as required will cater for the increased numbers of travelers to Samoa for the SIDS conference. Entry permits or visas are not required. Visitor's visas will be issued to each delegate upon arrival at the airports. The government of Samoa is undertaking extensive upgrades and renovations at all venues to ensure comfort and safety for all delegates of the conference. Samoa offers a wide selection of accommodation to cater for every need. For the SIDS conference, this includes accommodation in land-based hotels and executive private homes and the cruise ship. The Pacific Jewel cruise ship will be in Apia Harbour from August 27th to September 5th to meet the expected high numbers of participants for the conference. Also available are a number of restaurants and bistros of many international and local cuisines. The Polo Plenary is the main conferencing facility. Renovation works are underway to provide the necessary office and meeting spaces for the conference. The Savai'i Partnerships Hall is the venue for partnerships dialogue. The Nu'utele Aquatic Center is the accreditation center. It is also the point of entry into the conference venue. The screening of all entrants into the venue will take place here, except for pre-cleared VVIPs. All on-site issuance of badges are done here. A SIDS cultural village will also be located behind the Nu'utele Aquatic Center. This will feature a trade fair and exhibitions for SIDS handicrafts, entertainment and any cultural displays. A space will also be provided for live band entertainment, especially in the morning or evening. SIDS are very welcome to showcase their musical talents at this area. The Namua Food Court provides an open space to relax and enjoy delicious local and international food at the conference venue. It also provides general services such as post office, banks, travel agency, money changers, and a tourism information booth. A medical clinic will also be in this hall. Works are progressing well on the preparation of the Manono Media Center and the Apulima Secretariat. All these 6 buildings inside the conference venue are in walking distance of each other and will be connected by covered walkways. For the not-so-wheeling, golf carts will transport you between the buildings. The Faleata Golf Course is the main venue for pre-conference activities from the 28th to the 30th of August. The activities may include NGO Forum, the Youth Forum and the Private Sector Forum. This complex is adjacent to the Namua Food Court. The General Assembly endorsed the theme of the conference as the sustainable development of small island developing states through genuine and durable partnerships. we acknowledge the importance of the conference to small island developing states. As host country, we are honored and privileged to host all delegates for the conference. While in Samoa, we invite you to make time to explore our country and experience our warm Samoan hospitality.
See you here 2014.
See you here 2014.
We look forward to seeing you all here in Samoa in August. Until then, Tau Fasoi Fua.